Okay, we're down at our local train station at the Hub. We got Amtrak number 670 ready to roll out. So we're going to get some double deckers. These are Amtrak, some of our local transit trains. Look at that thing ready to roll out of here. I don't know where she's going, but this is the lines I grew up near, but I grew up down facing north of here all the way down. Same lines, the Northeast Corridor we call it. They call it. Yep. Oh yeah. We did everything but hop cabooses, hop rails. Party, party, party near these tracks. Couldn't do that today, get locked up. It's all fenced off today. Give it some volume here. Oh yes. I want to see one come by, but alright, there we go. Just redid this whole station. Alright. Well, not much action going on. Once I get my new phone, I could pause. The stupid thing, this thing can't pause or nothing. Alright. Take care. Figure you might enjoy this. I'm gonna see something come flying down here. We used to put pennies on the tracks. Oh, they were cool. We guys have a whole thing of pennies from the track.